British celebrity chef Jamie Oliver has hired advisors at Royal Bank of Canada to help find private equity investors and funds to purchase a stake in his restaurant business, The Times newspaper said, citing sources close to the situation. The so-called naked chef, whose fortune is estimated at around £180 million, $283 million, floated the idea of attracting an outside investor to help expand his network of Italian restaurants late last year. A spokesperson for Oliver could not immediately be reached for comment. Oliver owns 7 restaurant brands, including Jamie's Italian and 15. His restaurant business had revenues of £110 million with core earnings of around £14 million, sources told Reuters in December.